So you've got all the tools, you've got all the knowledge in the world at your fingertip with this AI and ChatGPT and stuff like that. Yet execution is not there, and you're not running campaigns and funnels. And the reality is, like, AI is great, all these tools are great, but they need your expertise and they need your time. And it's just so many of them. And they are all reliant on your input in order to give you results. So in the next few minutes, I'd like to show you how to get AI to actually work for you and execute and run things, and also optimize things over time. So you can free your time, and also you can save lots of money on different subscriptions that is just really going out of control with all AI tools, yet achieve results that is unheard of. So for this, I'm going to use Sway. So I start with the marketing playbook. There are 3 boxes I need to tick before I start to just make sure AI generates very tailored content to me, and it doesn't sound robotic. So the first thing is the marketing playbook. The AI has already done some work for me, and you do it once. So it's gone through and found the market insights and ideal customer profile. I'm not going to touch these 2 because they are dynamic, and based on things change, AI changes the market insights and all these micro trends and things like that. Ideal customer is also based on how my CRM performs. It just updates it. So I'm not going to touch these 2 really. And here you can just write what makes your business different. They already picked the images, the colors from your website, but you can just add more if just make sure that it has access to everything branding about your business. So that is the first box tick. And second is AI executes and run the tools here within the platform, but I need to go and give it a bit of a context of, look, this is my style of writing, this is how I like my cold emails being written, this is how I like my ads to be written, this is how I like my social media pictures to be. So for example, social media, I come here, I just dump some of the examples that I really liked and I thought they work well here. So AI knows and will use these examples to create my post as well. The image guideline as well, I just say always include my logo and stay on brand color. I can say whatever really I want, and AI will take these in consideration. Just like explaining it to human team really. For video the same. So this is the box 2 ticked. And the last one here is your assets, your media assets. It can be PDF, it can be images, videos. You can create here, you can upload. But what you need to do for this campaign, for example, I like to say, look, I'm going to just create a folder, call it test, and then I'm going to include some of the images that I will want AI to use in this campaign in that folder. So test, let's just go with this one. Yeah, just one image for now. So this is done. The hard work on your side is done, and now it's time to pass the job to AI. So for this, I'm gonna come here, create a new campaign, and I say I want marketing agency leads in Canada, let's say. If you're a dentist, it can be that you, the people in your area generating leads or ranking in your SEO, anything that your campaign goal is. You can create multiple campaigns here, by the way, so be as specific as you want. I can just go with this one, and there I knows my business well enough to just fill out all this for me. I don't need to type anything, but AI is just confirming with me everything before it goes ahead and build things. So target audience marketing agencies in Canada, great. I can be more specific, like lead generation agencies or whatever. I'm not gonna give a budget, leave it to AI to decide for me. And messaging style is, yeah, I go with the informative and persuasive. So even though we had an ideal customer profile, at this point AI will generate a specific user persona. What it means, because you can run multiple campaigns, it just makes sure that your messaging and your marketing assets and anything that it generates within this campaign stays completely on brand and also very specific and tailored. So here is my customer profile here, customer avatar, location is Canada. These are the challenges that Liam Tremblay have, and these are the solutions. Of course, you know your business better, you can add things here, but to me it's just 99% spot on. So AI is doing all the legworks at the moment for me to just make sure that it understands the campaign, already knows my business, and now is digging to find the best strategy for me here. Here we go. These are the 3 campaigns. If you're an agency, you can just send it here to your customer to get approval before you go ahead and build it. But if you just feel great about this campaign, you can just click build this campaign, and here where the magic happens, that is your entire funnel built. What I mean by that, that is my ad launcher that run ads, but let's say I just want to also run email outreach to these Canadian businesses, and I also want to run my AI to run my social media as well. So what will happen, we have 3 sections here. This is the traffic sources, where it generates awareness and engagement and start reaching out, and once they are engaged and they are ready to exchange their email or whatever the call to action is, it then sends build a very specific landing page for me. And as I said, you can build multiple landing pages, multiple campaigns, so you can have very specific landing pages for each campaign that you build. And we are actually going to run this campaign right now together, launch it, so you'll see how the entire things can be done in less than 20 minutes while AI does the hard work and you are staying in control. Here we go, our landing page is ready. Let's just click and have a look. Digital stack embrace the autonomy. Don't worry about the images. I didn't create like specific folder for landing page. I did it for social media, but here we go. That is 99% again spot on. If I want, I can just click, change the images and everything, and use my media library to put like better images, or just upload some more images, or I can just regenerate things with AI. Also, if I don't like this type of kind of hero section, I can just again ask AI, look, I like that one, and then it goes and completely repurpose that hero section for me. So there is no really prompt to go and like spend time and learning how to write prompts and stuff to get AI to do the work. Here we go. This is now the landing page. I quite like it, to be honest. And what I can do, I'm just going to publish this one. Here we go, we have a landing page, and now we're going to head back to Canvas, and here I need to create, I'll call her Ali. This one is, I'm actually creating a sales assistant, a booking assistant. Anytime somebody clicks on the link in the website and they want to book a demo, I want to qualify them first. So it is via booking form, and then here's like, thanks for your demo request. I can add a bit of personalization here as well. First name, may I ask a few questions to direct you to the right person. It can be really anything. You can use AI suggestions here, not quite there, but also I can ask few qualifying questions. I can make sure we're currently using agency stack. Again, it's a lot better, but I just say, are you in Canada? And here I can tell AI that, look, it must be positive because I just want to work with, for this campaign, I want to work with marketing agencies in Canada. Having said that, is like, are you a marketing agency? Are you a marketing agency? And it must be, because want them to be a marketing agency. If they are not, AI will just politely reject them and tell them, look, you don't fit this for now, keep you in database for later. And here I can use the calendar team that within our platform. So once AI qualifies them, it just books them right into your calendar here. So I have the agent now. Back to Canvas, I have a landing page that once somebody clicks on, head to landing page, back, online marketing automation. Now here I created Ali, so yeah, there we go, no campaigns yet. Here you go. So when somebody now clicks on that, they will fill out a form, and then Ali gets in touch with them to qualify them and then book them a demo for me. How amazing is that? Because lots of time when they fill out the contact us form here, it just sits in our inbox somewhere, and sometimes we see it too late, and by the time we reply, they're gone, the interest is gone, or they're gone to our competitors. But now I have a landing page, and actually I should go ahead and launch it. I can actually connect it to my domain, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna not do that and go with the URL that Sway provides. And here, email, I can just connect again. There is an email system within the platform, so you can just connect your email here, and I'm gonna say send from mail. That even though I will do the hard work, it gives me all the option to like choose if I want to have any control on the time of day and week it wants to go, and I will take that here. Don't worry, AI will make sure that your emails don't end up in junk, but if you want to do it manually as well, just give AI, look, just send 20 only and do 5, like increase 5 and then a maximum of 500. So you make sure it doesn't go to inbox. Stop on response. If they respond, so I want to get back to them and see what they say and stuff. And here is, I don't have a list of agencies in Canada, but again, AI knows who I'm looking for. Founders and CEO at marketing agency in Canada. Let's go for a list of maybe 10 for the purpose of this video. 10 agency Canada, and here I say owner, founder, CEO. Here we go. The biggest difference here with the other prospecting tools in the market, we don't have a database that we have to go and keep updating and stuff. Our tool will go in real time, check their websites, and if they are relevant, then it finds their email within their website, and also it finds their LinkedIn profile. So the emails that you get here are 100% verified, which is absolutely unheard of. The trade-off is it takes a bit of time because it needs to go and check all the kind of websites and stuff and their LinkedIn to match and make sure that they are within industry and within the job title that I'm looking for. But the list that I'm gonna get is absolutely fantastic. Here we go, the list is here, 10. I can just click on their LinkedIn profile to make sure they are in Canada, and they are even designer, operation co-founder at Notion Studios. Perfect. They are in Canada, Greater Toronto, and let's just try another one. Mark, they're in Canada, and they're managing partner and CEO at Victory Creative Group. Fantastic. So this is my list. I'm just now gonna go ahead and ask AI to find the leads for me. It does find their emails for me. Import to CRM. It just goes to our CRM here now, and I'll have a list of verified leads and very accurate persona that I can send my emails to. So choose the email to 10 agency Canada. For agencies here, I suggest to go 5,000s and 10,000s for the list, but for the purpose of this video, we just stick to 10. And then it doesn't stop there. Now it just goes ahead and creates the entire email marketing for me, and then send them to the landing page that we've just created. Of course, you can add, edit and stuff. And it's a sequence of 4, 1 email and 3 follow-ups. If I want to change things, AI thinks 3 days, but if I want to change things, I said no, send them in 3 days and stuff. I can do that. It personalizes everything for me as well. Also, there is an optimization side. Once I launch this campaign, it will just keep learning about it, and if the click rate and the open rate is below the averages, it will send me suggestions in labs, which I'm going to show you. And that's it. Now I have a traffic source. I'm sending email to people, and then to my prospects, very targeted, and then they come to this landing page, and once they click on the call to actions, Ali will qualify them and put them right into my calendar. If you are an agency, go and give it a try. We're looking for agency partners to put it in more businesses' hand and make sure they can get great results in 2026. And if you're a business, definitely give it a try. You have 14 days to test it out, and usually within 14 days you see much more results than the investment for the platform. So I'll see you on the other side.